Hello guys! In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can create a template on Notion. But first, if you want to master your favorite tech platforms, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss a video. To create a new template to your Notion, just tap on the Add New icon at the top right corner of your screen. Next, choose a title. Now start typing. And then you'll see at the bottom the Add New icon. You can see right here that you can customize your template. You can add a text, you can add a heading, you can also add a to-do list, or if you want, you can add a page. You can also add code right here. Just tap on this Add New icon so you can customize your template. And that's it! If you have questions or suggestions regarding this video, don't forget to leave a comment on the comment section. Thank you for watching!